Hey, Instagram followers, it's your girl Jess bringing it back to you
what
from
are you doing? You're supposed to be helping me.
I'm just taking a little Instagram break. I'm tired of digging and digging and digging and digging. I've been doing all the work. Seriously, like honestly, what have you gotten done? Like I need a good. Okay, all right. Honestly, so sick of my sister. I've been doing the work all day, and like, gosh, there just has to be a better way, you know? What?
Check this out.
What have you got here?
I think it's like a compost pile.
Ew, looks disgusting.
Well, the situation we're in is kind of disgusting already, so.
That's true. Didn't the guy online say something about this? About composting?
Oh yeah, that YouTube guy.
Yeah.
David
the
Oh gosh, what is it?
Great. No.
David the Great?
David the Great? That sounds right.
Sounds right.
But is it right?
Gosh,
Let's go Google it.
Oh, hey, Jess. It's David the Good.
I'm so glad that is over. I mean, that book was really a lifesaver. It really was. But what's even more a lifesaver is you can find it on Amazon for $11.99 for paperback. Or if you're on a budget, you can do $4.99 for Kindle.
And what was it called again? It was like
Compost everything. Compost everything. Like anything you can compost. Wow.
It's great. So nice to just sit out here.
It is beautiful, but the smell's not that nice.
That book.
Yeah, but what's even more convenient is we found it on Amazon for $11.99 on paperback.